Hello viewers, this is Jubilee Saikia and you're watching My News In. A day after an Eid mob set the house of BJP Minority Morcha's Ali Akshar Ali fire allegedly for supporting Waqf Amendment Bill, the Thoubal District Administration has imposed an prohibitory order under the Section 163 of BNS. Here we are bringing you the full details. Prohibitory orders imposed in Manipur's Linglong constituency. Mob torches BJP leader Akshar Ali's house. Ali earlier supported controversial Waqf Amendment Act. Later, Ali apologized and retraced his support. Officials work to maintain peace and investigate the violent outbreak. Manipur BJP yet to release an official statement regarding the incident. Yes, viewers, a day after an Eid mob set the house of BJP Minority Morcha's Manipur President MD Akshar Ali on fire allegedly for supporting the Waqf Amendment Act, the Thoubal District Administration imposed prohibitory orders under Section 163 of BNSS in entire Linglong Assembly constituency today. The order promulgated by the district magistrate prohibited the assembly of 5 or more people and carrying of firearms, swords, sticks, stones or other lethal weapons by the public. It stated that the superintendent of police reported yesterday night that nearly a 7,000 to 8,000 strong mob armed with lathis and stones stormed the residence of MD Akshar Ali in Linglong Mame area and set it ablaze. Ali had on Saturday expressed support on social media platforms for the Waqf Amendment Act 2025. Following the incident on Sunday night, he apologized for his earlier statement and condemned the act. Here is what BJP Minority Morcha Manipur President have stated.
Aigi ming Muhammad Akshar Ali Laifam Lilong Horwi Samrukong Aina Handak Rajya Sabha Amadi Lok Sabha da pass tawkiba akoigi Waqf Amendment Bill adubu tongan ba video share tawraga aigi Facebook post oina tawkiba amadi share oina su tawkiba loina comment oina tongan ba Facebook account singi post khara da comment oina piruba madu ai tasena lanjare amadi madu matung manau makhata na ai site gi tawjararoi haiba wafam madu ai leiriba Muslim islina amadi meti pangal islina singi wafam da ai sengdok sari loina na aina Waqf Amendment Bill asibusu ay yaningde amadi masikhudak repeal tawgadabani haiba wafam asisu ay social media gi through da ay phungdok sari. Assalamu alaikum.
Yes, viewers, the order stated that it is reported that the matter is very sensitive in and around Linglong Assembly constituency and there is a likelihood of further disturbance which poses a risk to peace and public tranquility in the constituency. However, various parts of Imphal Valley witnessed protests against the act yesterday. Over 5,000 people participated in a rally that disrupted the traffic on National Highway 102 at Linglong while protesters suffered with security forces in the same area including Iron Chaseba in Thoubal. Protests were also held in Avankelai, Kerang Muslim and Muslim areas in Imphal Eastern Soda in Thoubal district among other places. Security has been strengthened in Muslim dominated areas of the valley with additional forces. The Waqf Amendment Bill was passed by the Lok Sabha and by the Rajya Sabha in the early hours after marathon debates in both houses of parliament. The act aims to streamline the management of Waqf properties assets permanently donated by the Muslims for religious or charitable purposes, with provisions to safeguard heritage sites and promote social welfare. It also seeks to improve governance by enhancing transparency in property management, streamlining coordination between Waqf boards and local authorities, and protecting stakeholders' rights. However, President Draupadi Murmu gave her assent to the bill on Saturday. That's all for now. For further updates, keep watching My News NE.